Ano muna here, ha? Mommy put the glue. Ikaw maglagay ka dito, ha? Lagay mo tong yarn na to.
Yes.
Okay, follow the glue, okay?
Yes.
O, ikaw na lang, you first put the glue and I'll help you. Put some glue there. Okay, this a curved line, okay? Okay, next. You have to put the yarn in there. Okay.
Yes.
Ay! Sorry. Oh, you put this yarn on the white. Oh, go. Okay,
Yes.
stick mo dun like a curve. Like a curve. Sige, go.
Ganito? Ganito?
Sige, go. You can do it.
Ganito?
Dito first. Up first. You stick here. Here. Mommy first. Oh. Like this. Oh. Oh, go. You stick it. Oh, go. Idikit mo siya. Dali. Follow. Oh, nag-move siya na. Wait na. Okay. Oh, sige, ha. Oh, may nakikita pang ito, guhit. Ayos mo. Ayos mo. Wait, tama. I-move mo lang. Ayun, no, nakikita pa yung guhit. Dapat, ay ito. Look, this one, oh. Dapat i-move mo dun yung red. Oh, i-move mo yung red here. I-move mo. Yan, sige, go. Oh, tapos dito pa. Oh, yan. Oh, yun pa. Sige, move mo pa yung iba. Sige, para hindi makita yung guhit. Sige, go. Okay? Ito pa. Okay. Ito po, kita pa yung ano. Sige, opo, yan. Okay na? Okay. Let's cut it na. Mawilot na. Kasi you have, hindi ka pa pwede maggunting. Okay na. Okay. Ito po, i-move mo pa, oh. Look. I-move mo pa siya dun. Sige, para hindi makita yung guhit. Sige, go. Okay na. Oh, nahulog siya. Here pa, oh. Okay, okay na. Okay, next. What color is this?
Orange.
Okay, we're going to find the orange. This one. This one is orange. Okay. You put glue on the ano na. Sige, go.
Ito?
Yes. You put glue on it. Oops! Slowly lang. Oh, you put some glue there. You use your hands na lang. Here, you put some glue. Oh, put like a C. Here. Oh, yeah. Sige, go. Oh, go. Oh, yeah. Dalhin mo doon hanggang taas. Ito pa. Para madikit. Baka pahilot. Okay, go. Sige. Ayun pa up. Ito pa kung makapahilot. Okay. Sige. Sa taas naman magsimula. Dito. Yan. Sige, go. Lagay mo. Sige. Paikot. Okay. Sige po. Sige pa. Down. Okay. Okay. Oh, ito pa. Ubusin mo na yan. Ulitin mo. Para dumikit yung yarn. Okay na? Okay. Sige. Oh, okay na yan. Next, we have to put the yarn. Gano'n ba kahaba? Sukatin lang namin. Okay. O, stick mo ulit yung yarn. O, this one. O, idikit mo ulit doon sa ano. O, go. Ano ha? O, move mo. Dito ka mag-start sa circle. This one. This one. O, go. O, dito. You have to start here. Okay, go. O, dikit mo siya. O, sige. You. Hatakin mo siya here. Hatak. Hindi ganyan. O, look. O, ayos mo. I-move mo like this. O. O, yan. Sige. Wait. O, idikit mo muna to yung ibang line. You started here. Start. O, sige, go. Dikit mo. Okay. Sige. Stick on it. Stick. Okay. Sige. Go. Okay na? Okay, sige. Kailangan hindi makikita yung lines na ano, ha? Okay, go. Okay. Okay na?
Yes.
Hindi pa.
Okay na.
Hindi pa. Ito pa, oo. Wala pa siyang glue. Mami, multiple lang, ha? Okay. O, lagyan mo yung sa mga may glue. O, dikit mo yung sa may glue.
Ito?
Dito ka magsimula. O, ayan. O, go. Dikit mo yun sa glue. Okay? Ito pa, here. Ayun pa, oh. Kita mo yan? Dikit na. Ayun, oh. Di pa. Sige, move mo dun. Move. Do it like this lang. Like this lang, oh. Move like inside lang. Sige, go. Sige, okay na? Look mo muna. Okay na?
Okay na.
Okay, next.
Ito
We're
na.
going, wait lang. What color muna yung susunod na cars? Oh, what color?
Yellow.
Oh, yellow.
Yes, yellow.
Oh, you put
Yellow.
yellow na.
Yes.
Next,
Good it.
we're going to add yellow.
Yes.
Yellow. Oh, wait lang. Oh, wag ganyan. Oh, ganun mo. Ilagay mo na dun sa ano. Oh, sige, go. Sige, tingnan mo yung ginagawa mo. Okay. Look, tingnan mo itong ginagawa mo. Tingnan mo. Ito. Okay. Oh, next, we're going to put, what's this one? Yarn. Say yarn.
Good.
Yarn. Wait lang. Hanap ko muna yung dulo ng yarn. Ito na nga lang tayo kanina. Sige. Stick na to.
Good it.
Okay na yan. Dikit mo here. First. No. Here muna. Sige, start here. Mommy will start. Okay. Then you follow. Okay, go. Yun na, oh. Dikit mo na yun. Bilis. Oh, dito pa. Sige, dikit mo yung iba. Sige.
Ito.
Here, pa-curve. Diba it's a curve line, so you have to put curve. Sige, go. Idikit mo dun sa glue. Very good. Okay, very good. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Tingnan mo nga kung ano na. O, maluwag pa. Sige, hatakin mo siya. Okay, go. O, ayan na. Tingnan mo kung okay na.
Okay na.
O, iayos mo yung pagkakalagay. O, go. Kailangan naka-curve line yan. Opo. O, sige, go. Yung pa isa, yung po sa dulo. Sige. Tama. O, lumalabas na yung ano. O, sige, go. Here. Okay, very good. Oh, wait. Sige, go. Tignan mo. Ayun po tayo sa mo. Okay. Okay na? Stick with it. Stick mo. Nakataas siya. Okay na?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Sige ko muna naman. Next, what's the color?
One.
This one, what's the color? Here. Hands mo muna. Masyado madikit na. Anong kulay na nung isa?
Play akin to.
No, it's not play. It's your activity. This one, what's the color?
Green.
Okay. The next is color. Oh, wait. Oh.
Thank you.
Wait lang. Wait lang po. Ayos lang po lang si Mami green yarn. Oh. No. Later pa. What's the color of the, of the car?
Green.
Green. Very good. Oh, go. You put some glue. Okay na. I help you. Oh, go. Look here. I help you with the glue so you can, okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay. Oh, you put the yarn na. Oh, next. You put the yarn. Here. No, it's green dapat.
Is it
Oh, go.
green?
Oh, you put the yarn. Go. You started from the top. Oh, go. Go. Here. I'm going to start, then you'll move na. No. Mas nagdikit na. It should be green lang. Oh, ayan na. Oh, go. Oh, ayos mo na. Move. Put here. Put it here. You put it here. Then you move it. That's so, ano. Here. Sige, you can stick with that move. Oh, right here. Oh, ayos mo siya. Oh. Ayos mo, Kin. Dali, ayos mo. Lagay mo siya dun sa ano. Sige, yan. Tama. Okay, very good. That's very good. Yung pa, sa dulo pa. Yung pa, here pa. Okay. You're doing well. Yung pa, yung taas niya. This one, put it down. Okay, sige, put it down. This one, yan, very good. Sige, this one, here. This one pa, sa side. Put it down. Okay, done! High five! Yes, you're galing!